Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share a fun card that I created using lots of Pink and Main goodies, including my first time using the Pink and Main Mini Mink machine to do some foiling. This little machine makes me so happy. I was so pleased with how easy it was to use, the size, it heats up quickly. Yeah, I'm 100% sold on that. So I did use that. And then I used, it was the stamp of the month last month, but it is available just for purchase. This cute Hey Hot Stuff stamp set. These dragons are adorable. I can't wait to color up some more of them. Did use some enamel dots. These are the Dragonfly Dreams enamel dots. Forgot to mention, everything is linked in the description box below that was still available. I did use 2 of the Pink and Main cheer foils. These are gorgeous, gorgeous foils. I'm very, very pleased with them. I used the Fairy Wings pink cheer foil and the Flowers silver cheer foil. This one came in the new foilables kit, foil kit that they, like, subscription that they have. So I got this. There might have been something else, I'm not sure, as part of that kickoff this last month. And it is so pretty. And so I was excited to use that. And then I used the Flower Power foilable kit that I got. And I used one of these flowers down here that you can foil. I also used the Big Posies foilables. And some, oh, I guess I don't need that. I used this Mini Flowers embossing folder too. So onto my card. The foil is very hard to photograph, but in real life it is just so pretty. I sit and I turn it and I love seeing all the colors on it. It's just so, it makes me so happy. And like I said, it was so easy to do. I'm very, very pleased with it. I'm excited that I got it. And there you can see that cute dragon. I don't know if you can see it. And cover this up a little bit. So I did put glossy accents on his glasses, and there you can see that embossing folder. I thought it needed just a little something behind there, and those enamel dots, and then hello friend. I just fussy cut that out, and then I just did a strip of one of the panels from that foilables kit, and then I just stamped him on the inside. So there is that cute card. I also am entering this into a challenge, the Paper Players Challenge. They had a tic-tac-toe, and many of my elements worked to make a tic-tac-toe, so I was excited about that. All the information is in the description box down below. I linked what I could find. As always, there's information on my blog if you'd like to know or see more. I just can't stop looking at it. It's just so pretty. I may be hooked on foiling. This past weekend, I rearranged a few things, and now I have all my foiling, like I have the Glimmer system and the Mini Mink and the foilables and the hot foiling dies all in a cart, so they're easy to get to, easy to use. So hopefully there will be lots more foiling on my cards in the future. All right, I will stop shimmering around here. I hope you have an amazing day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.